For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV. Sinibulisa bafethu. Chairman.
Uyayikhatha.
I know mfethu yazi no, I would say so. You know, when you're watching a game,
Yeah.
ubukela club enkulu njengamakhosi for life.
Yeah.
Amakhosi for life. Le team lele kufanele ukuthi mawukhuluma ngayo ube namandla.
Yeah.
Ukuthi yazi ukhuluma ngeteam enkulu na ekubonisayo nasefieldini ukuthi what is that they can do.
Yeah.
Singaphazamiswa ile last 2 minutes. The last 2-4 minutes where sibona bafaka ama cross ngabe kune pressure nyana. Kahle Bese ngathi kuza nobuthongo game angazi mfethu ubona kanjani game.
Yeah, Benedict Somville, without waste isikhathi mfethu it's abantu sihlale sibagrunta namanje sibagrunta. Yeah, so mfethu coming to this game, I think if it's a team bekumele idliwe kule game for me, I think Cape Town City they deserve at least 1-0 yabo bekumele ihambe iphethe 1-0 yayo kungukuthi ngoba engathi deserve kwina le game. Mushine Tukral came to this game, I think bekadlala he came to defend also we hope yokuthi athathe akhethi Kaizer Chiefs nge-counter attack cause ka left ngimbonile this guy uConzales was cheating on the right hand side, Roots was cheating. Also the striker sakhe simletted down, I think baskipile first half. I'm not too sure ukuthi ushaya hamstring kanjani uphinde uvuka ubuye. I think the guy just lapha beka justify upush ibhola wide engeli yakuvalela mawuya wide and then you missed defend yes ya recover. So I think Umushin immediately yakhe bedlala nge-working pace, which is ukamkhelo mkocha, I love him, but sometimes you can't play short. Yonke pass when udlala it has to be short. Mela variety game ukamkhelo is experienced player. Sometimes a long pass yabo can make a difference. Yabo Magne Run just played first time. Yabo and angeke udlala igame ngeke udlale ngepace yakho. Ngibonile first half bekuno Fortune Makaringa. Adlala I think there were 2 in front of Begu Serrero naye. Yabo in front of ukamkhelo mkocha. But me now Serrero, I see Serrero, yes, he's got that football brain, intelligent corner go Serrero, but it's no more like Serrero lo begana 17-18 where I can run behind the defense, can take somebody on, he can initiate his pace, yabo, carry the ball. I carried him being a win like a match winner. So Serrero, yes, in terms of not losing the ball, he did very well. Umbonile like begenza into ayifuna ngesikhathi sakhe yabona kusho ukuthi uyambona there's no pressure according to him. He has achieved it, like he has done it all go football uSerrero. But kule game nje coming to Umushini, I don't think imsebenzele midfield yakhe first game ku side in the Kaizer Chiefs. For me, I'm surprised to be given this guy uDove ukuthi bamnike, I'm surprised ukuthi bamnike man of the match. For me Thabo Cele and also this boy Nyama, I think they deserve, you understand it, 2 of them. Thabo Cele cause uThabo mfethu ngitshelile ngathi kulama game ayi3 ngibukilele game Sundowns, Stellenbosch and also Makisi. The boy go criminal squad, Hugo Bros if ubiza bo evident uyababiza bo obas, can he bring umfana ku criminal mbize kube uyezihlulekela because so these are typical players as South Africa Swanida, very comfortable on the ball. Also he can ukwazi ukudlala kuma spaces are tight, accuracy ngama passes wakhe, hardly lose the ball, very Damfana lo is good Chiefs yonke into, he can defend, he can uyakwazi ku carry team in the middle, it just to shot a partner because labantu bekadlala nabe middle they always hold themselves. So igame Chiefs igcine ngababhala ingasibalance according to me ngoba igame yabo I think ngibonile they overload side like right, Solomon, him and Liliepo imbonile swiper atholakala ka right, but always ngoyinye idlalela inini nayo yabona. Kunama game yangimangaza, I think udlala is like a full back makadlala cause udropa na too much makuzomaka angazi uyibone kanjani.
No mfethu yabona Juna mina this boy uCele, I think he's also a puzzle that he choose ebeyifuna to start ukugcwalisa ipuzzle kube iChiefs, because already with uCele lapha in that midfield it always gives them something to breathe on, because when he gets the ball, he doesn't lose the ball like any other midfielder. He makes everyone play. He calls them come and play. He cover his defenders when they need a cover, and also he initiates, because now the last few minutes I saw him now a boxing, and I'm worried to Junior because he's playing the defensive position, and I've seen Ugutu why he's always gonna get them a yellow card, because he has to work too much instead of occupying his position. And another thing, this boy Matlo ungenile, cutting with the ball. Uchifa Vieira is making a run in front of him, going straight down to the poles. Why he didn't play that pass? Now we wait for him. Masega Lapana, he wants to play a pass. Now Chifa Vieira wants to try and control it. Yeah, and then again, Junior, I'm getting frustrated, Coach Nabi. You cannot have one striker against two centre backs. Cape Town City, and then you wanna pump all the balls, long ball. I mean, if sometimes let's stretch them wide. If we sweep back, somebody outside the ball take a shot, because Junior, you playing with one striker, you wanna play a long ball, and you always say when any ball that goes up is anybody's ball.
Yeah.
So Ali direct and. It's frustrating, but anyway, that's how Coach Nabi wants Chiefs to play. I even said to one of Chiefs players, Potsano, to say, boy, if you want to play under this coach, you must learn to cross. If you don't cross, then you must know what you're in trouble. And yeah, I don't know, what else can we say, Chiefs, because they continue to do the very same thing of going wide. If you are going wide, that means you are creating a situation of 1v1. So can your wingers take on the men? Dribble along with this 1v1, and then this ball again. Because remember, Junior, when you stretch, it means you want to create a space for yourself. Then you get the ball, what do you do? Then minus again, so that you can get that space. Was creating a line in. But now when you go to the line and then you get a ball, you're still gonna pass the ball back. For me, it's a waste. So
yeah. So I think I'm not putting pressure on Mfana. Ule bola lela lithola i-defend yenza mistake idlala square pass and then lawela inyawo zakhe umntu he had all the time to think umfana. So umfana lapha chip ibhola goalkeeper uhleli phansi, just shy target at least, yabo, shy target. And I can say whatever yes, omunye umuntu might say ukuthi yes uJunior why aba hard emfana, but true. So leya ichinja yonke complexion of the game there. Just finish, boy. Awenzanga nix ukuphasile leya defender, angithi ufuna uphasa square, and then you want the ball, just finish. Also, so coming back second half, I think this game was killed. Both coaches ngizoba nje kuMushini ebekangasana nabo. I think second half uthe mina noma ngadlala 0-0, which is yenzekile kuye. Gonzalez came back. Yonke team yakhe bese like beyangasakwazi ukuthi achite. Ngibonile faka this guy Chikwezi ukuthi he must be there as a false nine, but the guy bebangamsupport, there was no supply from this guy. He dropped too much. Bega drop Gonzalez, bega drop analysis boy Roots ngapha, but gcine bangabonakali first half what they did. They were tracking this game ukuthi game iphele. Coming to your side in the Kaizer Chiefs, I think lento ishow too predictable. Why so many crosses angaka ngikhuluma ngasecond half? It's a disaster. So ngendlela ukuthi it disaster, like the way they were so crossing. I mean, Darren Kidd always get ready. Ibola malia wide. I mean, anything they jive now. A coach who doesn't know how to communicate with players. Yabona right ngayithatha light. Ucommunicate kanjani nama players ngoba ngiyabona every time bamtolike. Then abanye abantu bangayithatha light, but how ama player understand kanjani? I think naleyo nto so iphindi shaye. That's why the players sometimes I feel with the grounding I message ayifiki babazenzela. So yeah, right. Mauchi players at Kaizer Chiefs sometimes I think manga translate atshela this guy Cedric or whoever ukuthi if ubani bana kayenzi lento engishoyo it's going out. But now my player they need to think, if you're boxing there's no one, who are you crossing? And then if you cross 100 times and then it doesn't work, just so you need our leaders, you need talented players, abantu correct. Abakwazi ukuthi bangayimela if the coach said why we didn't cross that bengana muntu. You understand? And next game if bambeke benchini akunankinga makabuya come and score. And then the coach ayikuna into ezoyenza. But now what can we do? Anything ibonile ngama play which is they like character man in front of ipali abanayo that killing instinct yabo, cause ngiyabona noma they mistile there's nothing wrong. But Cape Town City bona ke, I don't think they deserve something in this game. Umushin kule game nje deserve next. Yes, the game second half so for me, I think it was boring. But say it deserve it because Chiefs bona so many crosses. It's anybody's ball, like you say.
Yeah, ngoba even Makareng and I did got a chance to partner Pegana na Vuma made a good save, and we expect. I mean, he's got a lot of experience. Makareng was supposed just to put it and give the Cape Town City something. But other than that, more Kumala Macross, Begati Darren K. Thank you very much. Mabai Begawacha Tawonk. But anyway, Juna 0-0. I think Mushin Lakona happy. The Chiefs now, well, they can be disappointed, but they had chances, they missed chances.
Yeah, I know. I saw fantastic that it is TV, it is time in a manje on.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
All abafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Ola bafethu bongani bobomnisi bafethu ngicela subscribe ku Diski TV.